Here's a harsh truth. If you don't pay yourself first, you'll never build wealth. Period. We live in a world where everyone gets paid. Your landlord, your favorite streaming platform, your favorite restaurant, except you. You work hard, yet by the end of the month there's nothing left. Sound familiar? That's because most people make one critical mistake. They pay everyone else before they pay themselves. But the wealthy, they do the opposite. They always pay themselves first. And that one habit separates those who struggle from those who grow rich quietly. This is Budget and Beyond, where we make wealth simple. Today, we're breaking down why pay yourself first is the golden rule of money, and how this one shift can completely change your financial life. By the end of this video, you'll know what pay yourself first really means, how to actually do it, even if you're living paycheck to paycheck, and why it's the single most important wealth habit you'll ever build. When I got my first decent paycheck, I thought I was doing fine. I'd pay my bills, grab dinner with friends, maybe buy something nice, and tell myself, I'll save what's left. But every month, there was never anything left. Then one day, I read a quote that hit me hard. Don't save what's left after spending. Spend what's left after saving. That flipped everything for me. I set up an automatic transfer. 10% of my paycheck went straight into savings the moment I got paid. At first, it felt impossible, but after a few months I didn't even miss the money, and slowly I started to build real savings for the first time in my life. Here's why pay yourself first works so powerfully. It removes temptation. When the money is gone before you even see it, you can't spend it. It builds consistency. Saving small amounts regularly beats saving big amounts occasionally. It rewires your identity. You start thinking like an investor, not a consumer. And once you see your savings grow, you want to keep the momentum going. Think of it like gym discipline. You don't wait until you feel like working out. You schedule it. Your savings deserve the same respect. Imagine you're a farmer with 100 seeds. If you eat them all, you'll feel full, but you'll have nothing for the future. If you plant just 10 of them, you'll have crops that produce thousands more. That's what paying yourself first does. It plants the seeds of wealth. But if you keep waiting until you have extra to save, you'll always be eating your seeds instead of planting them. If you're thinking, I barely make enough to survive, how can I pay myself first? Here's how. Start small. Begin with 5% or even 2% of your income. The amount matters less than the habit. Automate it. Set up automatic transfers on payday, from your checking to your savings or investment account. Name your goal. Don't just save. Save for something. Maybe it's an emergency fund. Maybe it's a business. Maybe it's freedom. Increase slowly. Every raise, every bonus, bump your savings percentage by 1%. You'll never feel it, but you'll see the growth. Remember, your goal isn't perfection, it's progress. Wealth isn't built overnight. It's built one paycheck at a time. 5 years from now, you'll look back and either say, I wish I started sooner, or I'm so glad I did. The only difference between those two people? One decided to pay themselves first. So here's your challenge. Before this video ends, open your banking app and automate 10%, even if it's small. Then comment "Done" below once you've done it. And if you're serious about building wealth the simple way, hit that subscribe button, because this is just the beginning of your journey to financial freedom with Budget and Beyond.